Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new episode of Easy English. So, it's coming up to the Christmas period in Brighton, so I thought I'd head down and show you guys what it's like to make genuine conversation with strangers on the streets. If this is a series that you'd like us to carry on doing, then a way to show us that you're enjoying this is to subscribe to Easy English. This is genuine conversations with real strangers. Here we go.
So how did it go?
It was good.
Excuse
it was
me.
Productive.
That's amazing.
Yeah. It was actually
Excuse
really good.
me.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah,
Good,
not
thank
bad.
you.
Thanks. You okay?
Yeah, very good, thank
Good.
you. Hi. How are you doing?
Oh yeah, we're doing really well, thanks. Yeah, we've been to the aquarium.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm actually really good. Even though I'm a bit cold, I'm alright.
Yeah, it is quite cold today.
Yeah, and what are you up to today?
Oh, good.
We've been to the aquarium today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Hey,
Hi.
are you alright?
How's it going? You alright?
Yeah, not too bad. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. How's your day going so far?
It's going really well, actually. Yeah, just out doing a bit of shopping for Christmas, but struggling with ideas at the moment. How about
Okay.
you? How's your day?
It's going okay. I'm a bit cold. I've been out here for a while now. But I finished my Christmas shopping, thank
Nice.
God.
Well and prepared.
Yeah, it's
That's
a
what we like.
nerve-wracking thing, isn't
It
it?
is. It really is. And it gets harder and harder as you get older, I swear.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
How's it going?
Well, we've had a lovely day so far. We've been down on the beach, along there on the pier, and
Okay.
it's not raining and it's sunny and it's the end of November. How lovely is that?
How's it going? How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. It's getting a bit cold though, right?
It's a bit chilly if you ask me.
Yeah, I might have to go home soon.
Yeah.
So how's your day been today?
It's been okay actually. I was really hungover from yesterday. I went out with my friends.
Big night?
It was not really a big night, it was half price, so I was like, might as
really?
well. Yeah.
Like
half
happy
price.
hour?
It was a happy hour. I work there. Barbara guys, go to Barbara's. Discount happy hour 4 to 8. Perfect.
Hold on, is this German
And I get
bar?
promotion here. Wait, what?
Yeah.
It's the German bar?
Yeah, the German bar, yeah. The one that goes like bum, 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 bum.
Hi.
You alright? How you doing?
How's it going?
Yeah, not too bad, man. Not too bad.
Yeah? How's
Yeah.
your day going today?
Really well, actually. Got
Okay.
up very early, way too early. Drove all the way down to Brighton in one go, so that was fun.
Okay.
And yeah, we're just enjoying the sights, enjoying the views.
Okay, I guess where have you come from?
Swansea.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow,
All the
okay,
way down from Swansea.
And are you a Welshman?
I am a Welshman, even though my name is Matteo, so I'm half Italian, half Welsh.
But that's a thing in Wales, isn't it?
Yeah, there's quite a lot of Italians down in South Wales.
Why is
Like
that?
a
Do you
lot
know?
I'm not sure. A lot came down in after the First World War and after the Second. I think they were just migrating, to be honest, and
Okay.
enjoying different parts of the world. And they brought cafes, ice cream, gelato, stuff like that down. And yeah,
How's your day going today?
It's really good, yeah. My daughter's getting married on Sunday,
Oh,
so
congrats.
we're just getting the last few bits of stuff that we need before we get ready for the final countdown.
Wow, is it a bit stressful or you get into the end of that?
I don't know, is it stressful?
It's quite stressful.
Okay.
It is quite stressful.
Okay, so what's the last things you have to buy? What are you looking for?
Pull-in pants. We're honest.
Yeah, okay.
You asked.
I'm from Sandwich in Kent.
From Sandwich?
Yeah, so a long way,
Absolutely.
way. So I came down this morning on the 9:22 train.
Okay.
So not far, really, on the train. It was 3 hours, so it's not bad.
I've never been, but Sandwich should be lovely, no?
Oh, Sandwich is really nice.
Okay, what's
Medieval town, a small town. Near
Do you have a
Deal.
castle?
No, that's
castle.
at Deal and Warmer, the castle there, and of course Dover.
Of
But
course.
Sandwich is more inland a little bit.
Okay.
So yeah, medieval town. It's very
Nice.
quaint, bit like these sort of thing all around
Yeah.
there. So yeah, very nice.
I was going to say, how does it compare to Brighton?
Oh, it's tiny. Sandwich is tiny.
So, how are you enjoying the episode so far? I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to remind you that come January, we'll be starting our Kickoff 2026 challenge. If you're someone who wants to improve their writing, speaking, or listening skills next year for your New Year's resolution, then all you have to do is become an Easy English member to get started on our 14-day challenge. Starting from January the 5th, we're going to offer you a 14-day, everyday challenge to complete to help improve your English. We're going to give you challenges such as writing formally or informally, maybe describing your favourite movie, or even applying for a job at Easy English. Or we're going to ask you to send in audio or video recordings to help improve your conversation and speaking skills. All you have to do is become an Easy English member by going to easyenglish.video/membership and join our Discord server where the challenge will take place. So if you want an intensive way to kick off 2026 and improve your English, then all you have to do is join our Kick-Off 2026 challenge by joining the Easy English membership. And we'll see you there. Now back to the episode. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm a bit cold, but I'm alright, thank you.
Yes, it's so cold today.
It is, but you're wearing less clothes than me, so you've got no excuse. I'm wrapped up nicely.
Yes.
How's your day been going so far?
Yeah, good. A little bit stressful.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Christmas period stress?
Yeah, and work's been kind of crazy busy.
Okay, where do you work?
In IKEA.
Oh, really? That can be stressful, I guess.
Yeah, so they can just be very busy.
Yeah, right. And what part of IKEA, what's your kind of job role?
I just do customer service, so I just talk to people all day.
And how are people today?
People today are okay, actually.
All right, okay.
It's just that there's a lot of them.
Okay, what's your typical kind of customer complaint or customer call that you get?
At the moment, it's way too hot in the building, which is the one.
Oh, really? People who are shopping in
Yes. And the second one we get a lot is that they hate self-service machines.
So what have you got planned tonight then? Friday night?
Well, probably pretty chill, to be honest.
Yeah.
We said we'd throw the option of maybe going out as an option. Potentially might consider it, see where our energy levels are.
We've got some plans to repotting, so
we got some plans to repot, yeah.
Maybe some on steroids.
We do have some on steroids to repot.
We've got some new pots.
We're gonna get some hot chocolate.
Yeah, it's a nice and cozy time.
Yeah.
Nice and wholesome evening.
Yeah.
What's your plan for later? Are you heading back to Sandwich?
No, I'm going on to the Isle of Wight tomorrow.
Bloody hell. So you're staying the night here?
Staying the night here with family. And then the ferry tomorrow to the Isle of Wight to see my sister-in-law. And then back again. And back to Sandwich.
That's
So
great.
it's all packed into a weekend.
And how's your Friday night going so far? It's just beginning, right?
Friday's today, right? I've got work today, 10 to 4.
Wow. What time do you finish?
Not till 7:45.
Okay. And then what happens Friday night at 7:45? Well, later on tonight, on Friday.
Probably sleep, to be honest.
Do you enjoy the Christmas period? Is that
I
something
do,
you into?
yeah. I'm very much a Christmassy person.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love Christmas.
What in particular do you like about it?
It's just the almost the magic of it all. I mean, it loses it a lot when you get older, but
Right.
it still feels like such a... There's no other word for it, it's a magical time.
It's going to be time off work. It's going to be my favourite bit. And then Christmas dinner. Love a Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
Can't
What's your
wait.
best bit of this Christmas dinner?
Well, my mum has now started making her own stuffing, and it's the bee's knees.
Are you looking forward to the Christmas period?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
You enjoy Christmas?
Yeah, it's nice. It's especially since I moved out, it's nice to see my family and spend time with them.
That's nice.
And stuff like that. So yeah.
Okay, what's the best thing about Christmas in your opinion?
I think the food's pretty great, right?
The food. Do you enjoy Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
okay.
love Christmas.
What's your favourite thing about Christmas?
Just being all together with my family.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
Watching movies.
Yeah.
Food.
Watching movies, food. Yeah.
What's your favourite thing about Christmas?
If I was a kid, I would have told you the presents. But now I'd say it's being with my family and my friends.
It's definitely spending time with family.
Yeah.
Cute. That's so wholesome.
And the Christmas dinner.
And the dinner, yeah. Well, everyone's mentioned the Christmas dinner.
Always.
Are you looking forward to Christmas? Festive period?
Oh my gosh, 100%.
Yeah?
I love Christmas. My parents already put everything outside the door, so it's got all of the lights, the Christmas tree.
Cute.
They put a deer and stuff.
Really?
Like a Santa Claus in how do you call that? In the stairs. Do you know the stairs to the window and there's a Santa Claus in my house? Yeah, listen, I'm pretty scared. I don't want to go back. But it's there.
Your parents are into it.
Oh, they're so into it. They think I love it. I don't care, but I'm gonna let them like really I do.
That's cute.
Hopefully they won't see this because poor things.
You're gonna ruin the festive
Yeah,
feeling.
hopefully not. It's like when they told me the Santa Claus was fake. I cried so much that day.
Nice. Well, thanks for speaking to me.
Absolutely, thank you. Yeah.
Have a nice rest of your evening.
Thank you so much. You too.
Well, it's nice speaking to you two.
Lovely speaking to you as well.
Well, thanks for that. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. So, how did you enjoy this week's episode? If this is something that you want to see a lot more of in the future, making genuine conversations from start to end, then let us know in the comments below and show us some support. And as always, we'll see you next time. And Merry Christmas. Ta-ra!